How to give Robux to a friend without a group updated way. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I bring you back with yet another Roblox tutorial, and in this tutorial, I will show you how you can finally send Robux to any one of your friends or their accounts, and you can do it without a group. First, you needed a group, but now you don't, and this is the new and updated way, and I'm going to explain everything to you step by step. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're obviously going to go to roblox.com. Now, once we're in roblox.com, what we're going to need to do is we're going to create an account. And once we do that, we're going to get this interface. If you're familiar with Roblox, you're going to get through this very easily. So once you're on this interface, what you're going to do is you're going to go on Robux. Now, you're going to go on Robux. Obviously, you're going to need to have some Robux on your account. So I'd recommend you buy some. And once you've bought some, you're just going to go on help. And once you go on help, you're going to see this page pop up. And you're going to go on Roblox account. And now you're just going to click on any one of these randomly. It does not matter. Just click on any one of them. And once you do that, you're going to get this interface. You're just going to scroll down to where you see need more help, contact support here. It's going to be in a blue ribbon. So you're just going to click on it. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you here. Now here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put in your contact information. So put in your username. That's totally optional. But make sure to put in your proper name and email address. So I'm just going to put in my email address right there. Once I do that, now this is the important and crucial part because this will decide what will happen and what won't. So in the issue details, they're saying what device are you having the problem on? Put in the device. If it's a PC, put in PC. If it's an iPad, iPhone, whatever, you're going to put that in. And then type of help category. Here, you're going to see all of this, but you're going to want to go on gift card. Now, once you go on gift card, they're going to give you a subcategory. Now, in the subcategory, you're going to see redeem, spend credit, split payment. We're going to click on split payment. Now, in the description is the most crucial step because over here, you're going to tell them which account you want to transfer the money to or transfer the Robux to and how much you want to transfer it. So you're going to put, I have, let's say if you have 1,000 Robux on your original account, but I want to send it to my other account. And then you're going to put in the username of your friend's account. Please send how many Robux you want to send. So please send 450 Robux to this account as it has 0. You're just going to do that, and then you're just going to go on submit. And what's going to happen is it's probably going to give you a verified capture. So yeah, you're just going to work through the capture. You're going to get yourself verified, and after that, what's going to happen is it's going to, wait, let me just verify this for you. So yeah, once it's verified, it says request received. Thank you for contacting Roblox. Please check your email for a message from customer service. So what this does, in like a few hours, your Robux will be transferred. And that is how easy it is to transfer your Robux to your friends and without a group. So yeah, basically that's how easy it was. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any other issues or questions, you can let me know, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.